The sucking self-cleaning filter automatically filters the raw water, automatically cleans the filter screen, and automatically discharges dirt. The whole process is automatically controlled without manual operation, and the cleaning and sewage system is continuously supplied with water. When the pressure difference between the inlet and outlet of the filter reaches the preset value or reaches the cleaning time on manual prefabrication, the filter will start the self-cleaning process. During this time, the supply of clean water will continue to flow. The cleaning method of the filter adopts motor drive, suction nozzle suction, and reducer. The motor drives the suction device and the suction nozzle to rotate, and the suction nozzle sucks the inner wall of the fine filter to complete the suction. The filter begins to prepare for the next flush cycle. The whole operation process of the self-cleaning filter is controlled by an intelligent control box equipped with it. The control mode can choose differential pressure, time, manual, and PLC control. Widely used in electric power, reverse osmosis front stage, petrochemical, fine chemical, food and beverage, automobile industry, metallurgy, papermaking, medicine, microelectronics, environmental protection, water treatment, and other industries.